original TAMPOPRINT.
My name is Frank Nitschke. I work in the project planning division and have been with the company for over 41 years. Hello, my name is Marcel Mutter. I am a project manager at TAMPOPRINT and responsible for the company's special automation systems. My everyday life is very interesting. Every new project presents new challenges, so it never gets boring and no job is ever the same. Why TAMPOPRINT? Thanks to TAMPOPRINT's versatile product portfolio plus the special automation systems, we not only offer our customers maximum flexibility, it is also a new challenge for the team every time. TAMPOPRINT is relevant for several reasons. The first reason is that TAMPOPRINT is the inventor of industrial pad printing, and therefore has decades of expertise in pad printing. Over the years, we have evolved immensely and are now not only specialists in pad printing, but have also been manufacturing laser marking systems for years. As a process supplier, we offer not only standard machines and fully automated solutions, but also software, handling everything from design to assembly with 100% process ownership. This approach has enabled us to successfully implement numerous customer projects across various industries, such as pharmaceuticals, beverages, toys, and automotive. Secondly, we are not just a supplier of machines, we are a system supplier. This means that from the beginning of a project to the end, including the subsequent service, TAMPOPRINT is the top supplier par excellence. The entire project always starts with the customer's inquiry and continues through sales to project planning. The entire concept is worked out during project planning, and once the project has been sold, it is handed over to project management. So my job, the job of planning, is to design and calculate a concept based on customer information that comes in via the sales department. To do this, we obtain the relevant information from the specialist departments and are also in contact with suppliers for cameras, robots, and feed systems. Which project inspired me the most? It was a special automation solution for a pharmaceutical company. It wasn't just the product, but also the teamwork and the successful completion of the project. What sticks in my mind is a system that we built a few years ago for a well-known German car wheel manufacturer. This system was developed to decorate car rims fully automatically.
Technologies for your future.